Hi, this is Jane from the SE4 Library, and I'm going to show you how to use Gale and context opposing viewpoints. First, go to the library homepage, and you can Google SE4 space library and get there, or there's a link to it on the SE4 homepage or the portal even. You can scroll down under databases. They're arranged alphabetically. Opposing Viewpoints has changed name to Gale in Context Opposing Viewpoints. So you would find it under G, or you could just type in Opposing Viewpoints in the one search box. And instead of jumping to your results, if you look under Database Recommendations, there it is. Now, Opposing Viewpoints gathers essays written, pro and con essays on topics, and then academic articles, magazine videos, and other forms of media all in one place. If you don't have a topic already, it's a good place to go to browse issues and different topics because you might find one that is of interest to you. If you have a general topic in mind, you can enter it in the search bar. And then opposing viewpoints, I recommend using a very generic search term. So if, for example, you were looking up Instagram and you put in Instagram, you'll find some articles, but it might be better to look at social media, and then you can narrow it down that way. So in this case, I'm going to look up artificial intelligence. And when I started to type it, you see it comes up in bold, and the bold keywords here have main headings. So we pulled up artificial intelligence. There's an overview of the topic, which is almost like a reference article about artificial intelligence. So it gives you some historical information. And then scrolling down, you'll see there are featured viewpoints and viewpoints. Those are essays, pro and con essays on the topic, some academic journal articles, magazines, reference. And I can scroll down. It will give you the first three listed in each section also. So if I choose one to look at, let's pick this featured viewpoint here. If we click on it, it brings up the full article or the essay here. So it's all full text, the publication. At the top are information that you need for your citation, but the Gale opposing viewpoints will cite for you. So you just click up here and cite, and it gives you the MLA citation. If you needed APA for another class or your class, you can change it to APA. Here's our MLA. You can see it's a long citation. You can just copy it and paste it into your works cited. What I also like about Gale, you can listen to the article, and many of our databases do allow you to. They will read the article off to you. You can change your display options. So let's say, for example, this font is difficult to read. You can change your font or the letter spacing, word spacing. You can even change the color of the background information if that makes it easier to read. I'm just going to go back to my default. And then you can increase font size or decrease, which makes it very handy. Back up here, you can email the article to yourself or download a PDF form of the article. Okay, thank you.